What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream from the Scalar Learning channel. I'm doing one late today. For a lot of people in the U.S., this is too late. In the East Coast, it's almost 9 o'clock. West Coast. East Coast, it's almost midnight. So it is what it is. I am having the craziest busy week. This week, as you know, the SAT is this Saturday, so I got a lot of students I'm prepping, plus, other stuff. Just doing an audio check. It's been intense, but love it nonetheless. So, want to make sure to give you a stream today. Didn't do one yesterday, and I was bummed about that. Yesterday was also slammed. Tomorrow is also slammed, but we got to get going here because we've got a few days left to the test. So we are going to do another mini test. Oh, awesome, Anish. I'm so happy to hear that. Yes, 2 days. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. If you've seen these mini tests, I'm taking these tests for the first time in real time. And they're really cool. They're better than most of the other practice exercises. So I really like the difficulty and the range and all that stuff. So it's good stuff. All right, people, here we go. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1. Wait, let me load this here. Do I have the right level of zoom? Let me see. Yeah, let's do 200. I think 200 is good. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right. The concession stand at a football game sells hot dogs and drinks. It costs $4.25 for 2 hot dogs and 1 drink. Oh, we don't even have to solve. You see, it's just going to be like this. It costs $7 for 3 hot dogs and 2 drinks. System of equations. This is what we want. 2h plus d equals 425. 3h plus 2d equals 7. B is the winner. Boom, done. All right, next. Mommy's grandmother's house is 5 miles west of her own house. Wait. West, left. So grandmother's house, and that's 5 miles west. While at her grandmother's, Imami decides to ride her bike farther west down Main Street at 10 miles per hour. Which way best describes distance? Imami is from home after 2 hours. Got it. So she's already 5 away. So that's the intercept, I guess. This is wrong. It's not 10. It's the y-intercept. That's the starting distance away from her house, which is 5 miles. And then she's continuing to go west, so she's getting farther. So the distance should be increasing, not decreasing. A is the winner. Done. All right. That's an interesting question. Given the polynomial above, what are its zeros? All right, so the zeros are negative 55, and, well, it's kind of weird because it's an expression, and then 17. I mean, that's pretty much it. It's because that's going to zero this out is negative 55, 17 zeros that out, right? 17 minus 17 is 0. Boom, done. Did I mess that up? Let me make sure. Why do they say 2? Oh, that's just so weird. Okay. Which expression is equivalent? We're going to do a little keep, change, flip. This is harder than the SAT, by the way, on this problem, I will say, but it's not too bad. So keep, change, flip. We multiply by the reciprocal of that one. L to the 5th, M to the 3rd, N to the 6th. So cancel, 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 cancel. M to the 4th, M to the 3rd just becomes M on the top. And then P squared over P, that cancels just to P. That cancels just to Q. So we got M, P, Q. B is the winner. Done. X squared over X minus 2. 4 plus 4 over 2 minus X. All right, let's see. Equivalent. Oh, okay. This is actually not so bad. So watch what I'm going to do. This is a little trick. Now, you can do this as a workaround. You could choose a value for X, plug and chug in these and see what you get. Just not 2 because that zeroes it out in the denominator. But I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. So X squared over X minus 2. I'm gonna extract the negative from this. I'm going to make it minus 4 over X minus 2. That allows me to flip the 2 minus X to X minus 2 when you factor out a negative. So then it basically becomes X squared minus 4 over that common denominator. Then I can factor that difference of squares. X minus 2, X plus 2 over X minus 2. Goodbye, goodbye. X plus 2 is the winner. A, done. All right. Oh, wait, but let me show you how you can do the other method. So then now, let's plug in 4. I don't know, 16 over 4 minus 2, which is 8, plus 4 over negative 2. That's 6. And you plug 4 in here, we get 6. Boom, done. See, so that's a pretty easy way to do it if you don't remember how to factor. y equals A, y equals B are the solutions. Okay, so the solutions to, wait a minute. So let's distribute, boom, boom. So we get y squared plus, I'm just rearranging it, 2y minus 24 equals 0, factor, factor. What multiplies to 24 and adds to positive 2? Positive 6 and negative 4. So my solutions are negative 6 and 4. And the thing, but okay, so it doesn't, all right, well, whatever. So 4 times negative 6, that's A times B is negative 24, minus A, I guess, which is negative 6, so plus 6, and then minus 4, so it doesn't really matter which is which. So negative 24 plus 6 is negative 18, minus 4 is negative 22, boom, done. 8ix equals negative 5. What's the value of x in the equation above? Just isolate. Negative 5 divided by 8i, right? Equals x, right? Divided both sides by 8i. Oh, but we don't want to, I got it. Don't want imaginary in the denominator. So we got to rationalize by multiplying by I over I. Then we have negative 5i over 8i squared. And I squared is negative 1. So the negatives cancel out. So we have 5i over 8, which is D, I think. Boom, done. All right, next. Okay, we have this one. Oops. Oh, no. What did I do? Don't finish. The figure at the left is a square with side length of 4. Okay. Within it are 4 congruent right triangles and 1 small square. The bottom triangle has an angle of pi 6. That's in there. It is given that, whatever. Is this non-calculator? Oh, it is non-calculator, but who cares? Okay. Small square in the center. This is weird. Okay. So we need to find this side, right? Oh. It's a 30, 60, 90. Okay, I'll show you. So what does it say? The figure at the left is a square. So the whole thing is the whole thing is side length of 4. Okay. So this is 4. This is 4. This is 4. This is a hard problem, but I do not think you're gonna have anything like this on the real SAT because it's just too many things. But pi 6, I'm gonna convert that to 30 in degrees. That means this is a 30, 60, 90. The hypotenuse of the 90 is of this right triangle is 4, meaning the side opposite the 30 is half of that, which is 2. So this distance here is 2. These are all congruent, so these are all 2. Oh, whoa now. That's 2. That's 2, and that's 2. What else can we figure out? Oh yeah, and then this is so annoying. And then this length here, because we're trying to find the square length here and here, right? So this whole length, that's going to be in a special right triangle. It's the smaller side times rad 3. So this whole side is 2 rad 3. Whoops, 2 rad 3. What's happening? 2 rad 3. Not the prettiest. But that's this whole thing. So to get the square, it's 2 rad 3 minus 2. 2 rad 3 minus 2. And I think I did that right? 2 rad 3 minus 2. And then we got to do this, and then to the nearest 100. Come on, for no calculator, this is ridiculous. But we're going to have to do it because that's what Khan Academy has decided to do. But this is crazy. All right, so then should we take a little shortcut? Factor out the 2. We get 1.732 minus 1. And then that's 0.732 times 2, which is 1.464 to the nearest 100th is 1.46. That is not accurate as an SAT question, but that's okay. And this is question 9. Yeah. Let me see time. We have 6 minutes. We're good. An audiologist testing a patient determines how sound a specific frequency that a patient reports hearing. She begins with a 10 decibel sound for trial 1, then increase the volume by 2 decibels each trial after that. Patient can hear all sounds of frequency at a volume louder than 26, and they can hear everything louder, not greater than or equal to, louder than 26. I think I just wrote the inequality as I was reading it, right? Because that would make sense on the ninth trial, they should start hearing stuff. 2t plus 10, so it should be B. Oh, wait. Oh, no, it's this one. Because trial 1 is at 10, you see? Trial 2 is at 12. So it's not this. It's this would be trial 1 would be 12. And we don't want that. Trial 1 is supposed to be 10. So 1 minus 0, boom. And then so on and so forth. So this is actually D. Hope that made sense. And you can just plug and chug and verify. Okay. 7m minus this. What value B does above system variables m and n have infinitely many solutions, aka for which are they the exact same. All right. So on the bottom one, I'm going to isolate. So I'm going to say negative bm equals, subtract 2n from both sides, 20 minus 8n on top. Oy. Again, not accurate for the SAT, but it's all right. We'll roll with it. 7m minus 8n. Distribute the negative 8. That becomes plus 24 equals 6 minus. That's 4n. Distribute the negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. Let's combine like terms, because again, these are supposed to be infinite solutions, aka equivalent. So I'm going to add, so I'm going to keep the 7m on this side. Isn't B just negative 7? I don't know. Well, anyways, 7m on this side. So I'm going to add, I'm going to move everything over. So I'm going to subtract 24. So I got 6, 8, that's 14. And then I'm going to subtract 24, that's negative 10. And then I'm going to add 8n to this side. 8n plus negative 4n is 4n. Something. Oh, and then I got to multiply everything by negative 2 because I'm trying to get them equivalent, to be exact. So we get negative 14m plus, negative 14m equals 20. They line up. And then that becomes negative 2 times that is negative 8n. So now they're like this lines up, this lines up. Therefore, B has to be 14 for them to be exact. That's infinite solutions. That's it. Did I get them all? Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it. We got a nice little mini test. I hope that was helpful for you guys. I love that we got 30 people on. So I'm thinking of ideas for what to do because I want to do some big stream on Friday, something like that. If you have ideas, let me know. People suggested some tests. I can't really do any tests that are unreleased. However, people were suggesting tests that were unreleased that I don't have. So it can only be stuff that's been released and that's on the Reddit thread. So anyways, if you have ideas, let me know. Otherwise, I got some thoughts, and we're going to do something crazy for this Friday. Get you guys ready and rocked and just good to go. All right? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining. And I know it's a lot of international people on right now, so that's amazing because I know it's late in the U.S. So anyways, best of luck. Thank you so much. Drop a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to. No worries if you don't.